Hi, my name is Juan Pablo Merchanan Garita. I am 25 years old. I'm from Sogamoso, Boyacá, Colombia. I am currently studying agroforestry engineering at UNAD in the English course A2 with the tutor Wilson Guzman. Now to start with the answer of what I stays in this last Christmas. I was living with my family, listening to music and drinking beer and watching the fireworks that were displayed in the sky. We finished it about when we hug and magnate and we to sleep about 1 in the morning. And this is my answer to that questions. Now I am going to start reading the recipe. Well, starting to prepare a stewed rice. This is the recipe. We need 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of salt, half cup chopped carrot, 1.5 cup of uncooked rice, 2.5 cups of water, 1 cup chopped green beans and peas, 1 cup of cooked and minced meat, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, half boneless skinless chicken breast shredded, 1 bay leaf, and finish half cup of cooked curly potato. Well, first of all, in a medium saucepan, pour the 2.5 cups of water with the 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. After it boils, add the half cup chopped carrots and 1 cup chopped beans and peas. And the vegetables are soft, add the 1.5 cups uncooked rice plus half boneless skinless chicken breast, shredded, bay leaf, and half cups of cooked curly potato. We wait to the rice to soften. It's ready. This video is also to make the invitation to know the Department of Boyacá, this gastronomy, its architecture, and its museums dedicated for the ancient Muisca ancestral culture. This is all in this video. Ya volviendo al español, para esta última parte, de verdad, muchas gracias por su atención. Espero que este video haya servido para evidenciar las habilidades que he adquirido en el curso de inglés nivel A2. Y la verdad, sé que aún falta mucho para aprender, pero pienso que con el empeño adecuado y teniendo las motivaciones, pienso que se puede lograr. Muy bien, espero que este video sea de su agrado. De verdad, muchas gracias por su atención y que tengan buen día.